Now this is how you can adjust touch screen sensitivity on your iPhone. Let's get into it. So I want you to open up the settings app on your iPhone and scroll to find the accessibility. Within accessibility, find the touch section marked by a pointing finger icon on a blue background. Get inside and there you have touch accommodations. So there are some things which you might be interested in here, right? So there is a ignore repeat, hold duration, and touch accommodations. So essentially, this might help your screen being more sensitive. If you have the hold duration turned on, it just means that the screen will not respond unless you hold on to it for 0.2 seconds or however you set it up. So if you want to make your screen more responsive, you need to lower it down, turn it off, or tweak it, adjust it according to your preferences. Another thing is ignore repeat, which is an accessibility feature, which means that this is the duration set in which multiple touches are treated as a single touch. So if you have that turned on, perhaps you want to bump up the seconds or turn it off entirely. Up to you, right? So that's how it works, and these are the settings for the touch sensitivity on the iPhone. You also have the tap assistance where you can use the initial or final location of the touch. So if you touch the screen and move your finger, it might be recognized differently. So this is the place where you get to choose and pick how exactly it works. So let me know below in the comments if you liked the video or if you found it helpful. Hit the thumbs up if you did, and to also let me know about it. Thanks a lot for your support, and I'm going to catch you in the next tutorial in the future.